On our last video, you learned about Quick Starter, Designer, Speaker Coach, Editor, and Referencing Tool. But did you know there are still a lot more you don't know that Microsoft 365 can help you with? Hey y'all, Deva here from the Expert Zone Southeast Asia team working with Microsoft. And today, we will be talking about 5 more features you probably didn't know Microsoft 365 has. Let's start with one of the best things that you get with Microsoft 365, OneDrive. Have you ever had a device and realized you're running out of storage and don't know what to do? You don't want to delete your precious memories or maybe important work document that you have worked on for weeks, or even your school notes from your previous years. Well, with Microsoft 365, you get 1 terabyte of cloud storage that's right on your PC. I mean, really, it's right there on your files folder. So, even though it's cloud storage, you won't feel like it is. Now you never have to worry about running out of storage, and what's amazing is that you can access everything on your OneDrive on any device, iOS, Android, Mac, or another Windows PC. It doesn't matter. All you need to do is download the OneDrive app or go onto OneDrive.com and you will have access to everything you ever saved. But that's not all. You can even share individual files, photos, or even a whole folder to your family and friends via a link. You can configure the links for the files to be editable or read only. You can set a date so that those files can be accessed only for a limited period of time, or even set a password. But what about those sensitive files or photos that you don't want anyone else to see, like an image of your passport, your identification card, or your insurance documents? For those, we have Personal Vault on OneDrive. Files on your Personal Vault can only be accessed via fingerprint, face, PIN, or a code sent to you via email or SMS. Personal Vault also automatically relocks on your PC, mobile devices, or online after a short period of inactivity. So any open files will automatically lock and require re-authentication to access. The automatic locking intervals varies by device and can be set by you. Personal Vault also adds on to OneDrive's already robust security with file encryption, monitoring of suspicious activity, scanning for viruses, and ransomware detection and recovery. Now you never have to worry if you have those friends telling you cloud storage isn't secure. It is. It really is. So, you have learned to quickly create a backbone of your slides with Quick Starter and beautify it with Designer. But what if you want to go even further and make your slides more professional and creative with animations? It's really easy on PowerPoint with 3D models and more. Microsoft 365 gives you a range of 3D models that you can choose from. You can decide from still models or animated ones. All you have to do is select the Insert tab and click on 3D models. You can choose from a variety of stock models or from your device if you already have any. Once you're done with that, arrange it in a way you want it, duplicate that slide, and then arrange the model again on how you want the final product to look like. Finally, select the Transition tab and then click on Morph. Now you can see how your models come to life. "3D models and morph transition are a really fun way to captivate whoever is viewing your slides. What's more, you don't necessarily have to use 3D models for morph. You can also use still images like this. Let's say you have a group assignment or an important work file you need many people to work on. With co-authoring, you can do just that. Once you have saved your file on OneDrive or SharePoint, you can work on them with others at the same time. Just select Share at the top right-hand corner. Depending on where you saved your file, you will either see the Share pane or the Share link dialog box. In either case, just enter the email addresses of the people you would like to work on the file with, or if you have their contact info stored on your address book, just enter their names. You can include a short message if you want and then select Send. Once it's done, you can all edit the file at the same time. You can even select someone's picture in the upper right-hand corner to jump to where they are and see their changes as they make them. Plus, everything is also saved automatically. Co-authoring is not only available on PowerPoint, but also on Word, Excel, and OneNote as well. It's really not easy being a parent, juggling between work and family. One of the biggest concerns parents have is if their kids are safe when they aren't around. Are they skipping school? Are they playing on their Xbox or PC instead of doing their homework? Or even if they are viewing any content that is not age appropriate to them over the web. With the Family Safety app, parents can be rest assured that their kids are always being looked after. The internet can be worrisome if you don't know what your child is viewing, but you don't have to worry about that. With the Family Safety app, you can add content and age filters for apps, games, web, and search, so your kids are always safe online. But what about screen time? You can set limits for screen times on their apps and games on their Android, PC, and Xbox. When their screen time is up, your kids can request for more, and all you have to do is decide if you want to give it or not. You can even monitor the apps and sites your kids have been visiting and how long they are using them with Activity Summary. Now, what if your kid is on a school trip or is late and you are getting worried? The Family Safety app also has a location sharing option. Now you will never have to worry about where your family members are. As a busy parent, the ability to make sure your kids are safe with a smartphone, now, that is peace of mind. Lastly, we all know most laptops are touchscreen nowadays, and some brands even have pens to offer. But what can you actually do with those pens? Those salesmen might tell you, oh, you can use this pen to take down notes, to draw. But then you might say, I don't really like drawing, or you prefer typed text instead of handwritten ones. To get started, select the Draw tab. With pen, touch, or mouse, you can explore different types of drawing tools. You can choose to draw or highlight content anywhere. To make things easier, select Snap to Text to draw a perfect highlight. You can highlight an entire paragraph easily or remove it in a single stroke. Click on Drawing Canvas to keep ink and pictures together. You can customize the thickness and colors of your pen. To be more striking, try out unique ink effects like rainbow or galaxy. Once you're done, your ink replay will play back your drawings exactly the way you want it. Want to create the perfect shape? Click on Ink to Shape. You can even write out equations with Ink to Math and simply insert the formulas into your document. Now, this is where it gets even more exciting. You can edit your documents using the Action Pen. Circle to select, cut, copy, or format. Split, join, and add new line. You can also activate track changes when collaborating with others. You can even scribble or strike through to delete text, or use a caret to insert text. Bet you didn't know that, did you? Inking tools are not only available on Word, but also on Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. And there you have it, 5 more features you probably didn't know Microsoft 365 has. We'll also be dropping another 5 more features on a later date. But for now, if you have enjoyed this video and want to see more Microsoft related content, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And as usual, let us know what other type of content you would like to see in the comment section below. Well, that's all for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.